Bhastrika, or Bellows breath, cleanses the body and clears the mind. The exhale is accentuated as the belly pulls in. The inhale is a natural, unforced inflation of the belly. Let's practice together for 60 seconds. One more. Bhastrika is another essential pranayama. The pranayama is actually a little bit more important than the asana. Yes, they're yin and yang. They're both very important. You need to do both pranayama and asana. But the pranayama should be put first because the energy levels and the cultivation of the internal energy is important for the overall health and also to reach samadhi. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Check out the rest of my videos. Be well.